The following is a paid advertisement for
Me, Nick Rymer. Oh, hey there. You just got me here in the studio, sending student emails and working on grades, end of the semester stuff. Since it is the end of the semester, I figure now is as good a time as ever to remind you I do way more than just teach. Website building, repair, and maintenance. Video editing. Photoshop things. General artist assistance provided spelling and math aren't a deal breaker. Gallery sitting. Basic Mac computer fixing. Small business and art gallery computer networking. Art installing for audio and video. Speakers, projectors, TVs, oh my! I'm also available for tutoring via Zoom or in person. Call or email now. Get a price, get a quote. Summer dates are filling up quick. Remember to ask about the 1-inch button maker? And when you call, make sure to tell me Nick Rymer sent you. Now, back to your doom scrolling.
Call or email now for the services Nick Rymer spoke about. There is no obligation and no salesperson will visit you. Nick Rymer is solely responsible for this content. Southern accent available on request.